Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Ooby Creator and loading the level you want to preserve. This gets you into the exact state to save. Once you've confirmed autosave is off, you control when versions are created, which prevents accidental overwrites. Now, select the object groups, spawn, traps, rewards that you intend to export or snapshot. Doing this first makes later steps faster because you avoid saving unnecessary elements. Make sure to name groups clearly so your saved files remain organized and next, export selected groups rather than the entire map to keep file size small and changes clear. Choose JSON or RBXL depending on your workflow. JSON is lightweight while RBXL preserves studio data. Once exported, create a version name such as V1 or a date-stamped label like 2026-02-28 so you can track iterations. Then move files into a labeled folder and add a short change note. This practice saves time when you need to finally verify your save by re-importing the saved version into a fresh scene so you confirm everything loads correctly before publishing. Make a backup copy to cloud or external drive for redundancy. This protects against local corruption. If you hit an error, check console logs and inspect missing asset references. Those are the usual culprits. If the problem persists, revert to the previous version and compare change notes to isolate the faulty edit. Then reapply fixes and resave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.